Hey guys, how's everyone doing? This is Nick from forexfornoobs.com with the daily analysis. Today is Wednesday, the 28th of July, 2021. Time is 9:36 a.m. here in the UK. You are looking at a EURAUD daily chart. In today's analysis, we're going to be looking for price action setups across all these pairs listed to the right here. So let's just dive right into it. We'll start off with EURAUD. This trade was entered yesterday. It's chugging along, just doing its thing. It's coming back down now, obviously, but most trades don't just go straight in your direction. Take a while to get there, so I'm going to leave this one open, let it run. AUD USD, this one is also it's finally in profit, so that's a good start. I think AUD USD is heading down, as I spoke about yesterday. I talked about this one quite a lot yesterday, so no reason to go over it again today, but I think AUD USD is heading down. Watch yesterday's video for a full breakdown as to why. So I'm trying to ride it all the way down to here at a minimum. So I'll probably be shorting a little bit more on any significant pullbacks. But I got this pullback here to resistance, so I shorted. And yeah, it's finally starting to move in my direction. Now let's look at some of yesterday's potentials. Keep forgetting to do this. I want to change the wording here, so I'll do it now. Also have to change some of the coding. There we go. Right, GBP AUD moved quite a lot yesterday, didn't it? There's really nothing here anymore. Can't do much with that. I like that AUD-CHF has finally moved into support, and there is potential for a trade here. So I will keep it on the list for now, but there's nothing like immediately that I want to trade there. CHF JPY, we're just looking at a range here. I spoke about this range yesterday. I just needed to get to the bottom of the range right now. And GBP JPY, I'm not crazy about how it's closed. I'm removing this one from the list. So under potentials, we still have AUD CHF and CHF JPY. Under open trades, we have AUD USD and EURAUD. So let's look if we can find some other potential setups. You know what? I'm going to look for a long on Euro AUD once it gets above this resistance area. Aussie dollar's weak right now. Euro AUD has recently broken the 200 moving average, which is an indication that it's going to start trending up. If it manages to get through this resistance area, I'd say there's a good chance it's going up, so I'll be looking to get into that. So let's keep an eye on that. It looks like GBP New Zealand might smash straight through this resistance area. Very much looks like that right now. It's made a new high today. It looks quite strong. The pound is strong right now. As you can see from GBP USD, it's starting to push up. But that being said, if we do get any weakness in the pound today, this candle that looks pretty bullish now might end up closing something like this. which would be a nice little indecision candle, or some people call them spinning tops or whatever. And it would indicate that there's a, semi-decent chance at a reversal. So I'm going to keep an eye on GBP New Zealand right now. I'll see how today's candle closes, because if today's candle closes well, then there might be a chance at a good trade there. I'll take another quick look at the charts in case I've missed anything. No, I'm not seeing anything. So for today, what I'm looking at, well, first we'll start with open trades. AUD USD, just leaving this one open. EURAUD, just leaving this one open. That's my advice. AUD CHF, just looking to see what happens at this support area. Want to see it dip further down into support, stall out at support. That would be a great sign. Or if it breaks through, then there's potential for a retrace and a continuation. So we just need to see what happens at the support area. CHF JPY. This is just in a range, so we're waiting for price to push to the bottom of the range. So it'll be a while before this one gives us a setup probably. GBP New Zealand, I just want to see how today's candle closes. If it closes on top of this support area as a indecision candle, I might be tempted to take a short. But yeah, that's pretty much it with this one. I'm not really looking for a long trade here. And Euro AUD, this one would be best as a long trade. AUD is weak. This is starting to trend up. We could get into the start of a pretty nice, long-lasting trend on Euro AUD. So ideally, I'd want to trade this as somewhat of something like a retrace or even maybe a breakout. So we can maybe just jump in. A bit risky, but we could just jump in as soon as it breaks above there. Generally speaking, it is safer to wait for a retrace, get in at a better price as opposed to getting in here. It'll make a major difference to your overall target. So yeah, that's it for today's analysis, guys. That's what I'm looking for. So I'll see you guys for tomorrow's analysis. Thank you very much for watching.